Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to sync Google Contacts with Pipedrive to unlock CRM 2024. The reason to that is Google Contacts is a pretty good tool, especially if you've been using Google or Gmail. And then the reason on syncing, or I suggest that we sync it to another application called Pipedrive, is this one right here. Please pay your attention on Blair Davis. You'll see on the labels I have her on sample label 2. Now for some reason I want it to place on sample label 1. I can just drag the name and place it on sample label 1. And if I open sample label 1, you'll see Blair Davis right there. The problem with that is I have two sample labels categorizing Blair Davis, which is perfect for me. I really don't like that, especially if I'm organizing my task, management, or contacts. So what I'm going to do right here is I can click the three dots, choose only one right here. For example, I'm going to remove the two, and I only have sample label 1. So my problem has been fixed. However, imagine if you're doing this for hundreds or thousands of accounts, or rather contacts. That is pretty time consuming, and personally, I don't like that. That's pretty tiresome. So I'm going to introduce Pipeline, this website right here. Let me just go to it. Now, once you're here, just use your Google account to log in. I've used the one that I'm using with Google Contacts from earlier. That is the one thing I want you to take note of. Choose the one you're going to use to have better synchronization. And then with that, click on your account on the separate section. And I know there's a lot of things going on here, especially on the left side, but we're just going to focus on one thing today, so we won't get overwhelmed. So click on personal preference right there. And with that, you'll see the options right here, show menu. Make sure you click on that one. And you'll have a lot of synchronizations here. You have email, contact, calendar, Google, and so on and so forth. But for now, we're going to focus on contact sync. Once inside here, you'll see that you can sync your Outlook, Google, or any other contacts. But for now, click on add new account, and then specifically enter the email address where we have our contacts to be synced. For example, the one earlier, I think this is my email. So I'm just going to type in PowerStart, like so. Now once I've typed it in, simply click on continue, and then you'll be prompted up with this message. It's just a very regular Gmail logged in. Choose the account specifically, click on continue, click allow. So after doing that, clicking the authorization, you'll see this option. You're going to have three settings here. Mainly focusing on group of contacts first, we have all contacts, or we can choose sample label 1, or sample label 2, or start. This is a very good option, so we won't take everything. For example, we only want to take, for let's just say, sample label 1 contacts. I can just place it right there. And then the next option is sync direction. We have one-way or two-way. So you can receive new contacts, contact updates, and deletion into Pipedrive. Mirror all contacts including new contact updates and deletion. I think two-way is a good option. And item owner, this is only on how you see your contacts. So I'm gonna stay as it is by default and click on start syncing. Enable contact sync. And I think this is the default maximum contacts, 25,000. I think that is for everyone. So please let me know in the contacts below. So enable contact sync. And right now it's currently syncing. And you see right there, it has been done syncing. Last sync a few seconds ago. Now, you can have an options to refresh, change settings, or stop sync altogether. As you can see right here, total contact syncs are 10, added to Pipedrive and Google are 8. And to check them, you can click on the contacts on the left section right there. You'll see contacts number 7, click on it, and you'll open up this option. So everything is here. If you're familiar with Asana, it's much like that one. That's why I love Pipedrive so much. It's a very good CRM management tool, and with this one, let's try if it will reflect real time. If we add some Google account, some contacts on that option. So let me just go back to Google account. Right now we're in Google account or Google contacts. I'm gonna make sure and create contact. Let me just name this one new contact, just for discussion purposes. Now before saving, make sure you choose sample label 1, because that is the only feature we chose earlier, remember? So click on save, I think I have it right here. And right now, merge and fix, it will show up since we already merged Pipedrive right here. And with this one, merge duplicate, I suggest that click on merge. Now let's go back to Pipedrive, and you'll see right here we're gonna have the new contact name. Now, if you can't see it just yet, simply click on the refresh button on the page, and you will see right here, give it a second to load up. So if you notice on the very bottom section, we have the new contacts, the one we just added. So you can see right here, it's real-time update. So if you click on it right now, on the pencil icon, you can edit the name right here, and it will reflect on your Google contact. But if you double click on the contact, let me just click on it right now, you'll open up this activity tab. You have add some notes, meet scheduler, call, email, files, documents, and so on and so forth. You can even add some organization right here, some deals, and so much that you can add here. That is a pretty good option. And that is basically how to sync Google Contacts and Pipedrive. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.